I'm about to show you how to assemble a GPS tracker using ROM-BIO hardware and the Trackio bundle firmware. This is a Halley board. This is the main socket for the master module. It has an ADC, a micro USB socket, additional ports for connectivity, for example UART, MOSI, and a battery socket. And other features such an accelerometer, SPI memory, an RGB LED, a battery charger. You can use two additional slave modules simultaneously. For this project we'll use a Cortex M0 SAMD21 microcontroller, popularly known for being used in the Arduino Zero. This little arrow on the corner tells us which direction it should be plugged. It features a snap-on system for easy use. This is a SIM800 GPRS GPS modem module. It also has an arrow on the corner and it's easy to snap on as well. The motherboard works at 5 volts USB powered or 3.8 volts on battery. You can acquire this kit and the firmware on the link in the description. This is the GPRS GSM antenna. Trackio is a bundle software based on Arduino that allows to set up different IoT devices in no time. This is the GPS and Wi-Fi antenna. This is the battery. Once you plug it, the device is good to go. Now you can upload the firmware. Before starting, make sure you have a battery connected above 3.8 volts up to 4.2 volts. The software you need to use is Visual Studio Code. Inside of it, you need to install the application Platformio. Let's follow the steps. The first thing to do is to clone the Git project. Copy the link. Go to the folder where you want to clone the project. Open the folder that you just cloned. The second step to do is rename the platformio.ini.sample. You need to remove the .dat sample part and make a comment on the last line in the platformio.ini so that the port is automatically selected. The third step, let's rename the static conf and remove the .dat sample part from the name. Now let's fill out the information for the APN and the remote server. Here you type your ISP server. This is just an example here. The following step is to activate the GPS. For that we set use GPS to true, and since we need the location from the GPS, we set this one to true. If you need any other information from the GPS, just set it to true. Set the GSM signal so that you can see how strong it is on the application. Now connect the device to the computer. Save, close Platformio and reopen it so it detects the hardware. When the device is ready, you will see on this blue bar at the bottom a different list of options. Now let's compile and upload. The first time it takes some time. The device is ready now. Let's look on our website. Depending on how strong your internet provider signal is, it may take a few seconds for the device to show connection on the website. The same happens with the GPS signal. It depends on how clear the view is to the sky. Let's jump a few seconds ahead. Right now the device is set up to send every 60 seconds information to the server, and with a simple command we can change that setting as we see fit. Now we're gonna change it to 15 seconds. You can find more information about Trackio on the website. You can acquire this kit on the Rumbio website.